Okay, in this video we're looking at reflections. A reflection is a transformation that turns a figure into a mirror image by flipping it over a line. So a line of reflection is the line over which a figure is reflected. So let's take a look at example 1. Each point is reflected across the line indicated. Find the coordinates of the images. Write them in XY form. Okay, so for these points, they're going to reflect an equidistant amount from the line of reflection on the opposite side. So from the line, I can count how many units away it is in a perpendicular direction, and then on the opposite side of that line, I can find my image. So y equals -1 would be a horizontal line going through -1. X equals 1 is a vertical line through 1. And now I'm just calculating how many units away the point is from the line, and then I go that distance on the opposite side to plot my image. And I use the prime to indicate the image. The last one here, we're looking for an equation in y equals mx plus b form. So I can plot the line. It goes through -1 on the y, and the slope is 1 over 1. And now at point I can make a little line here that goes perpendicular to that line and find the image equidistant on the opposite side. Example 2, for the figure ABCD, draw its reflection image across each line. So first we're looking at the reflection across the x-axis, so I can count how many units away A is from the x-axis, and on the opposite side count 4 units to find A prime. And I can do this with all 4 of my points and then connect them and shade it in here. For B, we're looking for the reflection across the y-axis, so I can count how many units away each point is perpendicularly to the y-axis, find each point, and there we have the reflections. Example 3, we're going to reflect this figure across the line y equals x. So we need to find A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, so that the line of reflection is a perpendicular bisector of the segments A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So if I draw a line that's perpendicular from these points through the line of reflection and find the equidistant point on the opposite side, that would give me my image. So I can find A prime being equidistant to the line as A is. B prime, C prime, D prime the same way. Find those points, connect points with segments, and I get my reflection across y equals x. And the line of reflection will be perpendicular to all these segments. Example 4, draw the line of reflection for the figure to the right and write the equation of the line. So I'm going to find the midpoints of A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So I can make segments that connect all of these points, and then I'm going to find the midpoint of these segments and then draw a line through it, and that would be my line of reflection, which would be a perpendicular bisector of these segments. So now I can write my equation. My y-intercept is 1, my slope is 1, so y equals x plus 1. That's it. Now you're ready for the practice set.